Dear traders, it's a pleasure to welcome you to my channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video I want to share with you one of the most unique and in-demand strategies that will work until the end of 2025. So grab your notebook, pour yourself some tea, and go ahead and watch and learn some new information. So friends, we have moved to Pocket Option, which is the platform on which I conduct my trades. Now I will explain to you in a quick, simple way how to work and interact with the strategy of several indicators: Fibonacci retracement and stochastic oscillator. Okay, first of all, let's start with Fibonacci retracement. This strategy identifies key levels where the price might reverse or continue based on the Fibonacci sequence. Stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator measures the closing price relative to the high-low range over a certain period. It consists of two lines, %K and %D, which indicate momentum. So actually the Fibonacci and stochastic strategy combines Fibonacci retracement levels with the stochastic oscillator to identify potential price reversals in trending markets. This approach leverages key retracement levels and momentum signals, offering traders a precise method for timing entries and exits. So now, I want to first of all explain how to apply these indicators to your chart. So as I set up in Pocket Option platform, and I go here to the top left corner, and first of all, what I do is pick up the stochastic oscillator. Here we are. So as I said, it consists of two lines. To understand which line is which, you go here. We don't need to kind of change the settings. They are good, they are convenient for us. So we go to styles. It's just for you to understand. So the K percentage line is blue and the %D line is orange. So as I said, it consists of stochastic oscillator consists of two lines. The blue one, the %K line, and the orange line, the %D line. And how this actually really works. Well, first of all, of course, you can notice that the stochastic oscillator lies between the levels of 20 and 80. And it works, of course, also with crossovers. As I said, stochastic oscillator identifies whether the currency pair is being in the overbought or in oversold condition. So just telling you like a little theory. So if your RSI is near the level of 20, that means your currency pair is being in the oversold area. And if your stochastic oscillator is near the level of 80, that means your currency pair is being in an overbought area, in an overbought condition. So now how this indicator really works is, well, if you kind of enlarge it a bit, you need to notice the crossovers. So for example here, let me show you the example. When the %K line crosses above the %D line, the orange line, in an oversold area, that would mean you should open a buy position. Okay, opening a buy position. But if you're seeing that your %K line, the blue line, crosses below the %D line, crosses below again the %D line in an overbought area, that signals you to open a sell position. So this is it, how the stochastic works. And now we need to apply the Fibonacci retracement, so you need to find it here and open it up. And of course you need to draw it depending what trend you have, upward or downward. You need to find a recent low or a recent high. So we have an uptrend, so a bullish trend, and Fibonacci retracement for the uptrend draws from the recent low to a recent high. And as I said, Fibonacci, let's widen it a bit. And as I said, Fibonacci retracement identifies key Fibonacci retracement levels, of course, based on the Fibonacci sequence, and these are like levels. You can see them here, key Fibonacci retracement levels. So it's like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 38.6%. But the main ones are 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. And actually what we need to do with these levels is we need to wait for the main currency pair chart to approach one of these levels, for example here, and that would mean there is going to be a reversal. So as I said, when the currency pair chart touches one of these levels, that means whether there's going to be a reversal or a currency pair chart will continue to grow and develop in one of the directions. So of course we use these two indicators in combination. Okay, so now I will open my first trade for a sell position, seeing here that the main currency pair chart touched one of the key Fibonacci levels, and that will mean there's going to be a reversal. And also looking at the stochastic oscillator, which shows me that the percentage K line crossed below the percentage D line, the orange line, in an overbought area, which would also mean opening a sell position. So I open it for $300 for 3 minutes. Time expiration, of course, expiration time is shown here, time frame here. It's the time at which candlesticks update itself. And now all we need to do is, of course, analyze a trend and wait for this deal to succeed. Okay, my friends, so the first signal closed in plus and I earned 200, and actually let me check, so I earned $213, which is absolutely great, and the signal was really just so correct. I used, as I said, combination of Fibonacci retracement levels with stochastic oscillator. So I saw that my main currency pair chart approached the key Fibonacci level, reversed, and also saw a crossover at the stochastic oscillator in an overbought area. So these two indicators in combination gave me a correct signal. I opened a closing position and succeeded. So now let's not hesitate and move on to next trade. I also want to invite you to my cozy Telegram channel, where I post the most relevant information about the trading strategies, indicators, news from the world of economics, and also hold free trading sessions in which you can trade with me. So right now, join my channel and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm seeing the right entry moment, setting the expiration time up to 1 minute and opening a buy position. So I saw that my main currency pair chart approached the key Fibonacci level, reversed, and also saw a crossover at the stochastic oscillator when the percentage K line crossed above the percentage D line in an oversold area, which would also mean opening a buy position. So these two indicators in combination showed me the same signal, opening buy position, so reversal, crossover above, and yeah, that's it. Now we are just waiting for these signal to work out correctly. Okay, great. The second trade succeeded. I earned $240. And again, let me explain why. So I saw the stochastic oscillator showed me a crossover. The percentage K line, the blue line, crossed above the percentage D line, the orange one, in an oversold area, which means that I should open a buy position. And also my main currency pair chart approached one of the key Fibonacci levels and reversed. So these led me to get profit and succeed following the strategy of combination, the Fibonacci retracement levels and stochastic oscillator. And well done to us, let's move on. Okay, now I'm opening my sell position, seeing that there is already actually a crossover at the stochastic oscillator when the percentage K line, the blue line, crosses below the percentage D line, the orange line, in an overbought area, which would mean opening a sell position, a decrease in price of a currency pair, and of course a formation of a downtrend, which we are seeing, and this is the level of price at which I opened my trade. And also I'm seeing that my main currency pair chart approached one of the key Fibonacci levels at actually the level of 38.2% and reversed. So now I'm waiting for this trend, for this trade to succeed, because both of my indicators showed me that a sell position would work correctly. Superb, my third signal succeeded, and this time this was another example of using combination of two indicators. You saw a crossover in an overbought area at the stochastic oscillator when the percentage K line crossed below the percentage D line, and these showed that we should open a sell position, so there's going to be a decrease of price of a currency pair. And also, of course, we saw that the main currency pair chart approached one of the key Fibonacci levels and reversed. So it approached a level of 38.2 and reversed. So these two signals worked correctly and brought us profit. And so my friends, if you really want to learn how to trade, but for some reason you have difficulty finding the right information, subscribe to my channel and trade with me. Not only do my signals have a win rate of more than 75%, but also in my channel I give you a large amount of trading material, which is written in a simple language and presented from a beginning to an end, from easy to difficult. So don't waste any time and sign up now. The link is in description. Okay, now I'm opening my fourth deal and doing it for a sell position. Again, seeing a reversal here, the main currency pair chart reversed from the level of 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and also looking at the oscillator, stochastic oscillator, the crossover here below the percentage D line in an overbought area, and this crossover continues to develop. So yeah, that's it. Opened a sell position for 3 minutes, again for $300 at this level of price of currency pair, and of course it will succeed. So actually I really like this strategy. It's very obvious, and you can see that just by following it we get correct results, and we get good entry points. Okay, so the last trade for today's trading session succeeded, got a profit of $213. And again, this was really easy to find the right entry moment, to follow the strategy and to get what you wanted. So I just really want to share my personal feelings about this strategy, the strategy of using combination of Fibonacci retracement levels with stochastic oscillator. First of all, these two indicators, the Fibonacci retracement, the mathematical indicator is really 100% accurate. So it's based on Fibonacci sequence. And of course, you set it differently for an uptrend and for a downtrend. So that's why it is 100% correct and helps you to identify the correct reversals. The only thing you need to wait for your main currency pair chart to approach one of your key Fibonacci retracement levels. So do not enter your trade when you see your main currency pair chart just in between the levels. No. So wait for the currency pair to approach and to lie at one of the key Fibonacci levels, or your wick of your main currency pair chart, wick of the candlestick to touch one of the levels. And the stochastic oscillator itself, also consisting of two lines, the percentage K, the percentage D line, very obvious, which works with an oversold and overbought area. So, and of course, by showing its crossovers also signals us the correct moment for entering the trade. The only thing with stochastic oscillator is you need to wait for your stochastic to lie either near the level of 20, so in oversold area, or near the level of 80, so in overbought area. So if you see your stochastic lie at one of these areas, oversold or overbought, and seen a crossover, then that means you can also enter your trade. And again, so a crossover, find a right area, so a reversal, and that's it, right entry moment, open your trade. And following these easy, simple steps will give you 100% just succeeding in a trade. And this strategy is very evident, very accurate, showing you absolutely correct, as I said, entry points, entry moments, and giving you an ability to conduct many trades in plus. So my dear friends, I was really happy to present you my unique and actually uncommon strategy of using combination of stochastic oscillator with the Fibonacci retracement levels. And just conducting 4 deals during today's trading session, I was able to earn $786. And today's trading gives us a clue that using a combination of indicators works correctly and helps to close trades in plus. So please use this strategy while it's very unique and so uncommon. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I try very hard to present the information in a simple and understandable language. Please support this video with a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment. It really helps to grow my channel. I also remind you about my Telegram channel, where you will find an insane amount of useful information and where you can also trade with me. So this was Jessica with love. Thank you. Bye bye.